Fix Roblox Login Problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open New tab in your Google Chrome and then click on three dots at the top right. Here, scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Privacy and Security on the left side. Scroll down and click on Site Settings. After you click on Site Settings, scroll down and then click on Third-Party Cookies. Here, scroll down and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Here, search Roblox. You'll find Roblox and then click on the Delete Site Data and Permissions option, which is the trash bin option. Then press on Delete. After you do this, you're good to go. Another thing which you can also do is simply log in without password, as you can press on Forgot Password or username as well. And this is how to fix Roblox login problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.